Hey y'all, here's another one. Today is Taco Tuesday, and we're gonna do something a little bit different. We're gonna make Jamaican jerk shrimp tacos. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start off with our shrimp. We're gonna season it and create a marinade. So we're seasoning it with our garlic powder, onion powder, and then I have the Jamaican jerk seasoning here. You can find that at your local Walmart. I'm going to add to this some minced garlic and then some paprika to add a little bit more color to the shrimp, because I don't really know if it adds flavor, y'all. But anyway, we going to use it, okay? I went ahead and squeezed some lime juice in there and topped it off with a little bit of oil, okay? This is our marinade, and we're going to let that shrimp marinate in that jerk seasoning. Now on to our pineapple Pico de Gallo, okay? The pineapple complements this hot and spicy jerk seasoning perfectly, y'all. You got that sweet and spicy. You cannot listen. I'm telling y'all, it's a perfect harmony. Go ahead and dice up your fresh pineapple, whatever pineapple you have. I don't know if I would say use the can, but dice up some fresh pineapple. Go ahead and grab your red onion and dice that up. Place that all in a bowl, okay? It's really easy. I would suggest buying your own. Making your own pico rather than buying it. But you could buy it too. Go ahead. I went ahead and diced up one jalapeno, and now I'm chopping up some cilantro. I'm gonna add that cilantro into that mix and stir it up. Get everything nice and incorporated. Look how beautiful and pretty those colors are. Don't it just make you want to book a flight to Jamaica? Don't it just make it just look tropical, don't it? All right, now go ahead and grab another lime, because we're going to add lime juice to our pico as well. Okay, so go ahead. Before you squeeze the lime juice, you want to roll your lime. Before you cut your lime, you want to roll it, and that's going to help soften it up so that you get more juice out of it, okay? Then you cut it, then you go ahead and squeeze the juice into the pico. Now we're going to go ahead and add a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper for taste. You don't need too much for this. It's not supposed to be a salty thing, okay? Just a pinch of it. And then go ahead and mix that on up. Get everything nice and incorporated. So pretty. All right, now we're going to go ahead and place the pico to the side because that's done. And then we're going to move on to cooking our shrimp. Okay, so go ahead and get your skillet. Get it preheated nice and hot. Again, when you place your shrimp into the skillet, it should sizzle. If it's not, your skillet is not hot enough. We're going to cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, and then we're going to flip it. I did go back and add a little cilantro and some pineapple chunks to my marinade as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and assemble my Taco Tuesday. I'm using flour shells. You can use corn tortilla shells, but I was in the mood for flour today, so that's what I did. I'm going to go ahead with my... I would use my hand to put the shrimp in the taco. Whatever. I'm at home, y'all. These are my tacos, okay? Go ahead and place your shrimp in the taco shell, and then you're going to top it off with some pico. If you want, you can drizzle like a cilantro cream sauce over it if you wanted to. I didn't have that on hand. I went ahead and paired this with a side of lime cilantro rice and black beans. You guys, this combination was, like I said, perfect harmony, okay? And that is pretty much it, you guys. Add a little bit of fresh cilantro to the rice, and there you have it. Taco Tuesday, Jamaican jerk shrimp tacos. You can use fish, you can use whatever you want, even chicken, y'all. I want to remind you to click subscribe, and thank you all so much for watching.